So I'm opening up Teams. I'm now on Teams. Hopefully you're used to seeing it like this on your iPad. So I want to look at the different workbooks that my students have done. So I go to Teams on the bottom. So it's currently on Calendar. You can see on the bottom bar, it's completely different to the desktop version. So it's on Calendar at the moment. So I'm going to go to the third one from the left, which says Teams. I open up that, and it brings up all my classes. Okay, I now need to open the class. There's a little like kind of arrow at the left that I click on that gives me a drop-down option that just says General, and I click on General. It's an absolute amazement that I kind of worked out how to do this, because I just think it's totally not intuitive. So that opens up this screen of the lady reaching for a lady for some reason. I then click on More. So I've clicked on More, and then that gives me these options, and we're going to go to Class Notebook. No idea what the other ones do yet. So I'm on to Class Notebook. And this is what we see. So I can now click on this little arrow at the top to bring up my the actual options. So I'm in 13B1, my notebooks. I can access the other notebooks from here as well. So this is the class that I selected from. So if I pick a student like Charlotte Mellin, so I can just click on Charlotte Mellin, that opens up her folders. She was doing work for me in classwork, so I'm going to click on classwork. Then I can click on the file she's doing. It's already brought it up, but if I click on it here, it makes it go full screen. Okay, there's a line that says what she's typed. I guess if we're typing in stuff, it'll say my initials at the side. But I've been using these draw tools at the top. I've got an erase button, black pen, red pen. I can change the colour of those pens. Highlighter pen, another pen. Don't know what it does yet. But anyway, again, it's got a lot of functionality that Word has got. But yeah, as you can see, the writing is really accurate. You do need to be aware of if I go in and like circle bits of her work. So if I go in here and like circle stomach there, if she types above it, that circle will move down. It won't stay attached to stomach. So it's okay to like circle bits when you're marking it on a completed piece of work, but if it's on a work in progress, then doing something like that would be might cause confusion. So yeah, I'm trying to write more at the sides now that I'm getting to use this a bit more. I've just deleted that so that she doesn't get confused where I've circled stomach. So I hit the back arrow again, close Charlotte Mellin. Let's try Grace. No, she wasn't in. Hamza Shah, he was in for once. Classwork. Click on the stuff that I made, and again you can see here how what I've written has been obliterated because he's corrected what I said he should do, and therefore it's gone. So yeah, I should have written at the side, in this area, rather than on his text. But learning, aren't we? So just to go through that again, it saves as you do it, so I don't have to worry about doing anything. I can just literally shut that down now. I'm back into Teams. I'll go back to my calendar. So yeah, if I want to check another class, I click on Teams. And it's left me in this class notebook section, so I need to come back. So let's try 13A1 now. Click on General underneath its name. Again, that foxed me for a while. Click on More. That foxed me for even more of a while. And then click on Class Notebook, and it will bring up that class. And yeah, Holly Keogh's is already open, so let's see what she did. Classwork, and yeah, that's what she did with these questions. So hopefully that's a quick run through on how to use it. I think we'll learn by doing again how it's going to work with like exam papers that we can insert. Not entirely sure. So I'll stop it there.